English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 27.
How about putting the video online?
Good idea. What about trying the new software?
Why don't we make this a weekly meeting?
Let's ask the others for their opinions.
We could use the spare meeting room.
How about building a new website? Let's do more promotion on social media. We could redesign the packaging for this product. What about hiring a software consultant?
You should try to keep the meeting short.
The printer is broken.
We should call an engineer.
The internet is down again.
You should reset the router.
Sarah scraped the director's car.
She should tell him before he sees it.
There's only one package of coffee left.
I should order some more.
The fridge door has been open all day.
We should throw away the food.
Jeremy sits at the computer all day.
He should walk around the office.
Careful. Careless. Happy. Unhappy. Understand. Misunderstand. Appear. Disappear. Patient. Impatient.
This time slot is impractical. Why don't we rearrange it? I am unable to come in the morning. How about the afternoon? I misspell words so often. Why don't we get an editor? The machine isn't working. We should disconnect it. Are you unwell? Why don't we call a doctor for you? These tests are impossible. What about doing easier ones?
These desks are impractical. Why don't we buy new ones?
The monitor keeps going on and off. Should I disconnect it?
Don't be impatient with your cell phone or tablet. You should wait for it to charge fully before using it.
John, why do you disagree with everything I say about this project? Let's sit down and talk about it.
So many people misspell words in emails. How about getting a spell check program?
Why don't we keep notes so we don't misunderstand the plan? Let's use our old system again. This new one is so unfamiliar and slow. How about changing the time so that more people are able to come? Let's discuss the negative feedback from people who disagree with our plan. What about explaining the delay to stop people from becoming so impatient? I love conventions. It's so easy to connect with new people. I have no idea how to write this report. It seems impossible.
End of Lesson 27.